Welcome to Santo Island!
Woo-hoo! We're off exploring!
I'm in the boot. That's not the boot.
Welcome to Port Orly! We're gonna have some fun over here, man.
Port Orly, and we kind of have a place to ourselves, which is super cool.
Yep, time to get in the water, man. Woo!
We have the whole ocean to ourselves.
Oh yeah. Private beach? Not really. I think we're just lucky everywhere we go. Hey Kate!
Well, there's something everyone doesn't want us to know.
Ava! Ta-da!
We can go boating?
And we arrived! Down the island.
Welcome to Champagne Beach. Beautiful beach. Come on a non-cruise day and it's pretty much deserted, which is awesome.
Santo has so many beautiful beaches. This is one of the best ones, I think. It's so peaceful, there's nobody here.
This is awesome,
So
but
relaxing.
Port Orly is also a good place to base yourself just because there's some comfy chairs to lounge out on and
Yeah.
restaurants. If it's not a cruise day, there's really not much to eat here at Champagne Bay.
At Port
Champagne
Orly,
Beach.
you'll get really nice food, some big crabs we've seen, and also really cheap cocktails. I mean, cheapest on the island, I think, so far.
kids are happy, which means parents are happy.
The sand feels so nice. Fluffy.
Hello.
Sun.
You guys like checking out beaches?
Ow!
Which one do you like more? This one or Port Orly?
This one.
Champagne Beach or Port Orly? Which one wins?
This one!
Why?
This one, because of the sand.
It's just so much better.
Yeah, it's better than normal sand. I don't like normal sand.
We don't like beaches, but we like this beach because the sand isn't annoying.
Yeah, it's so soft.
Hey, Bob. You got some soft sand there?
Oh, you're poking your fingers in the crab holes. That's a good idea. You might find a crab come and bite your little fingers in a minute. Hey? Where's crabs?
What's doing?
Welcome to
Nanda
Blue Hole.
Also known as the Blue Lagoon.
So, we are driving around and who's up there? Hey Katie, Lily. Are you
Yeah?
guys alright there?
Yeah, Lily doesn't even notice.
Alright then. Bob.
Katie, do it, do it, do it. Come on. A one, a two, a three. Go! Woo!
Two. And go.
Yay! Woohoo!
Good job.
Hey, Lily's turn.
Closer. Okay, I'm gonna lift you up. Okay, hold on the inside. Put your thumbs underneath. Hold on tight. You got it? Okay, 3.
2,
One,
1.
go.
Yeah!
Let's go. Let's go. Stop. Okay, you got it.
Lily's attempt.
This is the moment.
3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! Good job!
So it's done. Whoopa! Whoopa!
Daddy, I thought you were going to jump from that big tree.
Can I do this?
You wanna try it?
I'll go there if you do it.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Ava. Hello. Hello.
Hello, cutie. Slippery love.
That was kind of a fail.
Good try. Alright, next up. Riri Blue Hole. We're gonna check it out, do some more swimming. 1, 2, 3. Go! loads of the fishies.
Watch out for the sharp rocks, yeah?
She says it's cold.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So I'm just going to crawl up, thank you.
Love this.
Hey, Lily. Hello.
So pretty here.
Ivy,
So
you didn't like the
nice.
cold water?
No, not really.
No?
But thank you, Mommy. Thanks for
Too
asking.
cold?
Yeah. But it was beautiful, eh? So refreshing. So good. Tantruming here. Mrs. Tantrum, thank you.
Ivy tired now?
I need some sleep.
That face. We got one injured and one tired. So I think it might be time
One
to
happy.
call it a day.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
So beautiful here. So peaceful, except for the screaming baby.
The AV games.
Gotta love these blue lagoons. So cool. But time to go home.